Dive into the quiet depths and discover the mysteries of the ocean's heart. Beneath the surface, where sunlight fades into shadow, lies an intricate world of vibrant life and remarkable phenomena waiting to envelop you in its wonders. Welcome to Let's Learn While You Sleep. The ocean, covering approximately 71% of our planet's surface, holds secrets intertwined with the very essence of our existence. From the labyrinthine coral reefs to the vast abyssal plains, these waters cradle life forms that have adapted to extraordinary conditions. In this journey, we will immerse ourselves in the wonders beneath the waves, exploring the creatures, ecosystems, and mysteries that dwell within the deep ocean. As we drift deeper into the ocean, let us explore the Twilight Zone, a unique realm positioned between the sunlit surface and the inky abyss below. This enchanting layer, typically found between depths of about 200 to 1,000 meters, becomes shrouded in an ethereal twilight, where the last remnants of light squeeze through the water, fading into darkness. Here, life continues to thrive, although in the face of challenging conditions. Creatures have adapted astounding abilities to cope with the environment. Many have developed specialized organs for bioluminescence, illuminating their surroundings in mesmerizing displays of shimmering light. Consider the lanternfish, a common inhabitant of this zone, whose body houses photophores, tiny light-producing organs that grant them the ability to blend into the ambient light above or to lure prey in the darkness. In this remarkable habitat, the ocean's world is cloaked in mystery, transforming familiar forms of life into extraordinary beings, capable of surviving in seemingly uninhabitable spaces. As we continue our journey into the deeper ocean, we arrive at the abyss, an expansive region characterized by unrelenting pressure and temperatures hovering just above freezing. This hauntingly beautiful place, situated at depths of around 1,000 meters to 11,000 meters, showcases a world of silence and solitude, where sunlight never intrudes and darkness reigns supreme. Yet, amid this harsh reality, astonishing life forms thrive. For instance, the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, beckons prey, an enticing beacon in the unfathomable depths. Additionally, creatures such as the giant squid, which can reach lengths of over 13 meters, embody the ocean's most ancient heritage, surviving as enigmatic silhouettes in this dark water. The abyss represents profound adaptations, where extremophiles, organisms that thrive under extreme conditions, flourish, pushing the boundaries of life. This corner of the planet, often viewed as inhospitable, serves as a reminder of nature's incredible resilience. It is a place where life takes on extraordinary forms and occupies niches that inspire wonder and curiosity, hiding from the eyes of above and revealing its essential beauty only to those who dare to explore. Now, let us turn our attention towards the remarkable ecosystems that flourish within the ocean's depths. One such phenomenon, the hydrothermal vent, emerges as a vibrant oasis in an otherwise barren landscape. Located along the mid-ocean ridges, these vents release superheated water rich in minerals and chemicals, creating an environment that fosters unique life forms previously unseen in any other habitat. Chemosynthetic bacteria harness the energy flowing from these vents, forming the foundation of these ecosystems. Giant tube worms, some reaching lengths of more than 3 meters, house these bacteria in their bodies, creating a symbiotic relationship which illustrates the extraordinary interdependence of life. Here, in the silent depths where sunlight ceases to reach, life flourishes through this miraculous process of energy synthesis. These ecosystems highlight the resilience of life, adapting to the most extreme conditions, reminding us of life's mysterious and beautiful essence, reflecting nature's ability to create and sustain, even in the most inhospitable places. In this vast oceanic expanse, we must not overlook the significance of the coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea. Spanning across tropical and subtropical regions, these intricate structures form from the skeletons of tiny coral polyps, creating a habitat that sustains a multitude of marine life. An estimated 25% of all ocean species rely on coral reefs at some stage in their life cycle, reflecting the vital role they play in maintaining biodiversity. These wonderlands showcase an abundance of color, with myriad fish darting around, vibrant sea anemones dancing in the currents, and sharks gliding effortlessly, highlighting an ecosystem thriving in symbiosis. However, beneath their beauty lies fragility. Coral reefs are increasingly threatened by climate change, pollution, and ocean acidification. As the waters warm, coral bleaching, a phenomenon that occurs when stressed corals expel the symbiotic algae providing them with nourishment, poses a grave concern for these habitats. A commitment to understanding and preserving these ecosystems is essential for the future of marine biodiversity, ensuring the balance of life not only below the surface, but across the planet as a whole. As we drift even deeper into this mesmerizing realm, we find ourselves surrounded by the mysterious creatures of the Twilight Zone, a place where light begins to fade, and the ocean transforms into a shadowy expanse of breathtaking beauty. This zone, ranging from 200 meters to around 1,000 meters below the surface, is a transitional layer where sunlight struggles to penetrate, leaving behind a world of muted hues and ethereal forms. Here, the ocean is a canvas painted in shades of deep blue and inky black, where only the most extraordinary organisms can thrive. Remarkably, creatures like the lanternfish, with their bioluminescent capabilities, surface to perform wondrous displays of light, courting one another in a breathtaking dance of phosphorescence. Consider for a moment how survival in this dim, cold environment has led to the development of unique adaptations among these ocean dwellers. Many species possess large, sensitive eyes to capture any available light, while others boast specialized organs that allow them to produce their own warmth through bioluminescence. This gentle glow serves as both a means of communication and a tactic for evasion, illuminating the dark waters with flickers of life. Within this twilight zone, we also encounter the enigmatic giant squid, an elusive inhabitant that can grow up to 14 meters in length, embodying the depth and mystery of this oceanic world. Amidst these wonders, we are reminded of the delicate balance that exists within these ecosystems, where nutritional scarcity shapes life. Some researchers propose fascinating theories about vertical migrations performed by these creatures, which rise during the night to feed on phytoplankton, returning down to the depths as dawn breaks. This intricate rhythm of life showcases an astonishing synchrony, emblematic of nature's endless quest for survival in a landscape that remains largely unexplored. Silently, we traverse the vastness of this enchanted world, letting the whispers of the deep ocean guide our dreams as we prepare for what lies ahead. Beyond the Twilight Zone lies a realm even more shadowy, known as the Abyssal Plain, a vast landscape of sedimented tranquility where darkness reigns supreme. This hauntingly beautiful expanse stretches across approximately 50% of our planet's surface, forming an underwater desert that is eerily devoid of light and bustling activity. Here, the seabed resembles a tapestry woven from the delicate particles of life that have drifted down from above, creating a gentle blanket of detritus that nurtures unique ecosystems. Feel the weight of the solitude in the abyss as we glide above the vast expanses of mud and silt that cover this underwater sanctuary, a place untouched by the harshness of storms and tides. Within this tranquil yet desolate environment, life flourishes in unexpected forms. The astounding abyssal creatures adapt to the crushing pressures of extreme depths, evolving over millions of years. Among these ancient beings, the remarkable gulper eel can stretch its mouth to encompass prey several times its size, showcasing a suite of adaptations that were crucial for survival amidst the scarcity of food. Some abyssal fish have developed an array of bioluminescent lures to attract unsuspecting mates or prey, revealing dimensions of creativity and resilience in this dark and silent theatre of life. Let us reflect on the strange forms of life that emerge in such remote depths. The basket star, with its sprawling arms, thrives in the cold water while feeding on drifting plankton, using its intricate structure to capture sustenance with transcendent grace. This mysterious and otherworldly realm teems with life's resilience, reminding us that even in the darkest of corners, life finds a way to flourish against all odds. As gentle currents whisper through the abyss, we may feel a sense of wonder and reverence for the secrets this expansive world continues to hold, beckoning us to explore the unknown, to dream of the possibilities that lie beneath the waves. As we continue to explore this exquisite underwater realm, let us delve into the phenomenon of hydrothermal vents, fascinating oases in the depths of the ocean floor. These extraordinary formations emerge from fractures in the Earth's crust, where searing hot water, rich in minerals, gushes forth, creating a thriving ecosystem that seems almost otherworldly. The temperatures here can exceed 400 degrees Celsius, yet life endures in such hostile environments, revealing the extraordinary resilience and adaptability of organisms that call these ecosystems home. Imagine dark, rocky landscapes interspersed with clouds of swirling, mineral-laden waters, each vent resembling a cosmic portal, exhaling rejuvenating energy into the surrounding depths. The life that blooms around these geothermal hotspots is as diverse as it is astonishing. Giant tube worms, reaching lengths of up to 3 meters, anchor themselves to the vent structures, utilizing symbiotic relationships with chemosynthetic bacteria to convert toxic substances into nourishing sustenance. In this nutrient-rich oasis, the delicate balance of life reveals the interconnectedness of species in this harsh landscape, where some researchers consider these vent communities to mirror the early conditions that might have existed on Earth. Here, in the dark expanses of hydrothermal vents, we find an echo of life's origins, as if the Earth's history flows through the veins of these unique organisms, illuminating our understanding of life itself. Consider the significance of these ecosystems, not just in the context of life's evolution, but in the role they may play in our search for extraterrestrial life. The discovery of these incredible adaptations has prompted scientists to explore the potential for life existing in similar environments on other celestial bodies in our solar system, such as Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. As we navigate through this captivating world of hydrothermal vents, we become acutely aware of the possibilities that lie beyond our own planet, leading us to wonder about the profound mysteries that the universe holds as we continue to float together through the depths of this oceanic dream. As we glide deeper into the vastness of the ocean, we turn our attention toward the mysterious phenomenon of deep-sea bioluminescence, a stunning display of light that illuminates the darkness of the underwater world. This captivating ability, found in over 76% of marine organisms, is akin to a vast symphony of shimmering lights performing nightly across the sea's surface and depths. Imagine for a moment schools of small fish shimmering like stars against the obsidian waters, each creature contributing to a breathtaking cosmic dance that enlivens the abyss. Bioluminescence serves myriad purposes, from attracting mates to luring unsuspecting prey, painting the darkness with beautiful patterns and rhythms that speak to the profound connections between life forms in this environment. Deep-sea anglerfish, for instance, possess a unique bioluminescent lure that extends from their heads, emitting an eerie glow to attract their next meal. Attracting attention becomes a multifaceted dance of light, where strategies and adaptations weave a narrative of survival and delicacy in the dark. In predator-prey interactions, this choreography becomes an exquisite reflection of nature's artistry, a testament to the intertwined destinies of life beneath the waves. Even more captivating are the tales of the elusive deep-sea jellyfish, whose drifting tendrils glow with otherworldly colors, producing almost hypnotic visual displays in their ceaseless ballet. The mechanisms behind bioluminescence have intrigued scientists for decades, prompting research into the chemical reactions that enable this phenomenon. The light produced, a result of biochemical reactions involving the enzyme luciferase, captivates those who delve into the mysteries of life's chemistry. Current evidence suggests this remarkable ability may play crucial roles in ecosystem dynamics, influencing fish behavior, reproduction, and even the broader interconnections within marine food webs. As we silently traverse this illuminated realm, we are reminded again of the beauty and fragility of life in the depths and the myriad wonders that exist within this aquatic universe, one that holds secrets that we are only beginning to understand. Allow the glowing radiance of bioluminescence to wash over you like a gentle wave, nurturing dreams of exploration and discovery as we drift further into sleep. As we drift further into the unfathomable depths of the ocean, we encounter the mysterious creatures that inhabit this unique environment, creatures whose adaptations are as varied as they are astonishing. Consider for a moment the anglerfish, with its bioluminescent lure, a glowing beacon in the absolute darkness, which it uses to attract unsuspecting prey. These fish, which can be found at depths of 200 to over 2,000 meters, have evolved in a world where light is a precious commodity, hence the need for such elaborate adaptations. Their bodies are often adorned with remarkable shapes and colors, which serve purposes that are as varied as the ocean itself, ranging from camouflage to warding off predators. Explore, if you will, the gelatinous form of the giant squid, a creature that has haunted sailors' tales throughout history, yet remains elusive to our scientific understanding. With eyes that can grow larger than basketballs, these majestic beings are guardians of the abyss, gliding silently through the dark waters, thriving where light cannot reach. Some researchers believe that their colossal size and unique adaptations may offer insights into the evolution of life in extreme conditions, potentially mirroring ancient ecosystems of our own planet's past. Each encounter with such remarkable life evokes a sense of wonder, illuminating the contours of the unknown and enticing us to explore deeper still. Yet, the deep sea is not just a haunting landscape of shadows and predators. It is a vibrant tapestry of life, marked by symbiosis and interconnectedness. The ecosystems found around hydrothermal vents exemplify this. Here, in the dark precipice of the ocean floor, life flourishes in the most inhospitable conditions. With their chemosynthetic bacteria, these organisms convert minerals from the Earth's crust into energy, creating a livelihood where no sunlight penetrates. They enable a food chain quite unlike those we see on the surface, reminding us of the endless possibilities that exist within the boundless ocean depths. As we continue to navigate the labyrinth of the ocean's depths, let us turn our attention toward the intriguing phenomenon known as bioluminescence, which illuminates a world where darkness reigns. This captivating biological light manifests in various forms, from the flickering of firefly squids to the radiant displays of deep-sea plankton. Scientists estimate that nearly 80% of deep ocean creatures possess the ability to produce light. And yet the reasons for this glowing spectacle remain an area of active exploration. Some researchers propose that bioluminescence serves as a vital evolutionary tool, aiding in processes such as communication, camouflage, or even luring prey closer into the waiting embrace of predatory mouths. Consider the enchanting spectacle of a phytoplankton bloom in the depths of the ocean, where the water sparkles and twinkles like a shifting canopy of stars, a truly surreal and breathtaking sight. This natural illumination symbolizes more than mere beauty. It holds critical ecological significance. These microscopic organisms form the foundation of the oceanic food web, as they use sunlight to create energy through photosynthesis. However, the deep ocean remains largely untouched by sunlight, so bioluminescent organisms must tap into different sources of energy, adapting as they rise and fall in rhythm with the currents. As we drift along, we also uncover the enigmatic purpose of such phenomena. Some marine inhabitants utilize bioluminescent displays as a defensive mechanism, releasing glowing clouds of light to confuse predators during their fleeing escape. Meanwhile, others may perform hypnotic light shows to attract mates or signal their readiness for reproduction, illustrating the complexities of life in this hidden world. The dance of light amidst the inky darkness becomes a testament to the myriad ways in which nature adapts and thrives, urging us to see the hidden wonders lying beneath the surface, forever waiting to be explored. Amidst the overwhelming mystery of the deep ocean, we cannot overlook the constant transformation of underwater geology and ecosystems. These processes occur over millions of years, shaping the very foundation of life within this colossal expanse. The dynamic nature of our planet, the interplay between tectonic plates, creates deep-sea trenches and ridges that harbor exotic ecosystems often bursting with life, hiding treasures of biological diversity. The Mariana Trench, for example, plunges to depths of around 11 kilometers, earning the title of the deepest part of the Earth's oceans. It represents a unique convergence of geological forces, where unfathomable pressure meets extraordinary diversity of life. In this vibrant realm, at seafloor vents, we witness a remarkable juxtaposition of elements. Scorching temperatures and frigid waters coalesce into microhabitats rich in life. Here, colony-forming tube worms and other bizarre organisms thrive, feeding off the chemical-rich forms of energy simmering from the Earth's core. The discovery of these hydrothermal vents in the late 1970s shifted our understanding of life in extreme environments. Researchers uncovered thriving ecosystems that seemed indifferent to sunlight, reshaping our perceptions of where life could exist. As we contemplate the juxtaposition of light and dark, we recognize that even the most barren expanses can yield extraordinary life. Through the unyielding embrace of geopotential energy and the resilience of adaptable species, we begin to understand that the ocean's depths are not only teeming with mysteries, but also tell stories of survival, resilience, and the struggle of life against overwhelming odds. The interconnectedness here encourages us to reflect upon our role within this vast tapestry, urging us to consider the influence of our actions upon these fragile ecosystems, forever entwined in the age-old dance of creation and destruction. We near the conclusion of our serene exploration through the mesmerizing depths of the ocean. Let us now reflect on our role as stewards of this wondrous blue planet. In recent years, mounting evidence has surfaced concerning the importance of the ocean's health on our overall ecological balance. Our oceans, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface, regulate climate, support intricate food webs, and serve as a vital resource for countless species. However, they face an array of threats, such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change, threatening to unravel the delicate fabric of life that thrives in these vast waters. Current research suggests that the rising sea temperatures, a direct consequence of global warming, are altering the distribution of marine species and affecting the diverse ecosystems that rely on them. Coral reefs, often dubbed the rainforests of the sea due to their astonishing biodiversity, are particularly vulnerable. Coral bleaching events, characterized by the expulsion of symbiotic organisms, deprive these brilliant structures of their vibrant colors and critical life-sustaining mechanisms. As we gaze into the depths, we glimpse a reflection of what we stand to lose if we fail to act. Encouragingly, science also brings forth stories of connection and hope. Conservation efforts, partnerships between communities and researchers, alongside advances in sustainable practices, are emerging as pivotal elements in safeguarding the oceans for future generations. As we contemplate the beauty of life flourishing in the profound depths, we can take active measures to protect these ecosystems, from supporting sustainable seafood practices to reducing plastic consumption. It is possible that our collective actions may yet weave a new narrative, one where the delicate threads of life within the ocean remain untangled. As we rest now, let us hold a quiet awareness of the mysteries and stories held within the ocean's depths, cherishing their beauty and acknowledging our connection to it all. It is a call to nurture our planet and preserve its resources as we drift away into the soft embrace of sleep, knowing that the world below continues to thrive, waiting for our renewed stewardship. As we drift further into the undulating expanse of the ocean, we begin to encounter the enchanting symphony of life that calls this profound darkness home. In these depths, where sunlight dares not penetrate, a realm of astonishing adaptations unfolds before our senses. One cannot help but marvel at the bioluminescent creatures that have deciphered the secrets of light in ways that defy our understanding. Living in absolute darkness, some species possess a unique ability to emit their ethereal glow, illuminating the inky waters with resplendent hues of blue and green, mesmerizing all who traverse these depths. Consider for a moment the anglerfish, adorned with an exquisite lure that dangles just above its unsettling jaw. This small beacon of light, a modified dorsal fin, not only attracts unsuspecting prey, but also showcases nature's artistry and ingenuity. In the stillness of these dark waters, the interplay of light and shadow becomes a theater of survival, where each flicker tells a story of life and death. As we delve deeper still, we discover the otherworldly beauty of hydrothermal vents, those incredible oases of life where chemicals and minerals erupt from the ocean floor. In this extreme environment, where temperatures reach nearly 400 degrees Celsius, a unique ecosystem thrives, defying our expectations of what life can endure. Giant tube worms, with their vibrant red plumes, harness the energy of these vents, feeding on bacteria that have adapted to chemosynthesis, a profound testament to the adaptability of life. Their existence poses profound questions about the origins of life on Earth, and even the potential for life in the most inhospitable environments beyond our planet. Here, in the depths of the ocean, surrounded by the undulating curiosity of marine marvels, we recognize that the secrets of these aquatic realms are not merely subjects of fascination. They connect us to the larger tapestry of existence. Each organism, each adaptation, whispers tales of resilience and beauty, born from the trials of darkness, inviting us to explore the mysteries yet uncovered beneath the shimmering surface. Yet, as we journey through these profound layers of life, we must also pause to reflect upon the vast expanse of the abyss, the deep sea, which covers more than 65% of our planet's surface. This seemingly boundless wilderness, shrouded in mystery and isolation, remains largely unexplored, echoing the sentiments of those early explorers who ventured forth into uncharted territories. Today, modern technology allows us to probe these dark depths, but even with our advancements, a significant percentage of the ocean's floors remain enigmatic. It is possible that within these largely unexplored regions lie species and ecosystems yet undiscovered, each harboring their own secrets, explaining the age-old quip, "For every layer we peel back, we uncover countless more waiting in the shadows." The Mariana Trench, plunging nearly 36,000 feet below the ocean's surface, stands as a testament to these uncharted territories, an extraordinary rift in the Earth's crust, which challenges every notion we hold about life and survival. Here, in this profound trench, organisms exhibit traits that may provoke our understanding of biology and resilience. The giant amoeba-like foraminifera thrive under intense pressures that would crush submarines and break unyielding rocks. Yet they continue to flourish unseen by human eyes. Through the discovery of extremophiles, life in these inhospitable conditions invites us to reconsider what it means to exist and thrive. Consider the psychological impact of the deep ocean, a realm that both terrifies and intrigues. The silence here is unlike any other. It is a silence that reverberates with the whispers of life hidden from view, a stark contrast to the cacophony of our daily lives. In the solitude of the deep sea, we can contemplate the interconnectedness of all life on Earth, reflecting on our role as caretakers of this fragile, swirling blue orb. As we conclude this serene journey through the mesmerizing depths of the ocean, we are reminded that within its watery embrace lies a wealth of knowledge waiting patiently to awaken our curiosity and spark the fires of exploration in future generations, ensuring that the secrets of our oceans continue to inspire, teach, and nourish us for eons to come. As we gently rise from the depths of the ocean, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the extraordinary life beneath the waves. In this uncharted realm, we have encountered wondrous adaptations, resilient ecosystems, and mysteries that inspire awe. The ocean, with its infinite horizons and profound depths, teaches us about resilience and adaptation in the face of adversity. We may never fully unravel its secrets, yet the connection we feel to this ancient body of water deepens with each exploration. Close your eyes now and allow the echoes of the ocean's lullaby to guide you into a peaceful sleep, enveloped in serenity and wonder. Thank you for spending your night with Let's Learn While You Sleep. Subscribe and come back tomorrow night. We'll be here. Sleep well.